Isn't she beautiful? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brooke. I do a ton of lifestyle content as well as fashion content. I love fashion. I do a lot of shoe reviews, handbag reviews, all things fashion. Since I have you here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel a lot and it really helps with my confidence. Today, we are going to be doing a fashion review, and yes, you guessed it, we will be doing another shoe review. If you know, you know I have a little slight addiction to shoes. I'm going to be reviewing Gucci's slide sandal. It's Gucci's slide sandal interlocking G. I got this sandal as a anniversary gift from my husband, which was so sweet. He totally surprised me and I got a package on our anniversary, opened them up. I was super excited because I, at the time, really needed a sandal. I needed a light color sandal to go with some like summer dresses, even some fall stuff. So I was super happy about that. He is so sweet. Or I love when he prizes me with the gifts versus sometimes he's like, okay, let's go pick out what you want together, or you can go get what you want. But I think it's really thoughtful. So of course, let's start off with the most important part, like I always do, the price. So these sandals are listed for $750 US. I feel like the price is kind of fair compared to all of the other slide sandals that are out there, like the Hermes slides and Dior slides. So I feel like it's fair game when we're speaking of the price. Let me go ahead and bring them out. Drum roll, please. I lost their dust bags, or I'm sure I didn't lose them, but I just can't find where they are in my closet. And here they are. Isn't she beautiful? Look at this stitching. This is the interlocking G, the name of the sandal. So this is why they are saying the interlocking G. It has some nice stitching right here all around the top. And this is all leather, of course, leather sole. I've had these for about 4 or 5 months, so you can see the wear on the sole. This is a very nicely done sandal. So let's talk about sizing. I am a European size 40 in most shoes. This one is a 40, so I feel like these are true to size, and you can't really mess like slides up. They're easy to size, especially like guesstimate if you're gonna guess your size if you're buying these online. I feel like with slides, they're pretty easy to size and true to size. Even if you got these a little too big, I'm sure they will fit because literally your foot just slips in right inside. Now let's talk about the comfort level. So are these comfortable? And like I said, this is an honest review. I always try to be 100% honest with you guys. So on the comfort level, I will say I definitely feel like they're on the lower end of a comfort level. I say that because I feel like these feel kind of heavier, and that might be a sign of good quality leather. You can say that. So, I mean, I guess that's good. But they feel a little heavy on my feet, and I have noticed that when I wear them, one time I wore them all day. We were doing a day trip to Dallas, and I wore them all day, and the inside of my foot, so like right here, on both sides, by the end of the day they became like red, and then the next day I got a blister and it hurt pretty bad. The inside is also like leather, so like I said, this could be a sign of good like quality, but it just feels like so thick, and it kind of just, I guess, irritates my skin. That's the downside of these, but I have found a solution. So this is called Barefoot Scientist, and it's scientifically advanced blister prevention spray. So before, all my fashion girlies, pain is beauty, beauty is pain. If you have any shoes that give you a blister, so what you'll do is you'll spray this on your feet before you put on your shoes and let it dry for like a minute or two. And you can even do a second coat, but let it dry. Spray these on your feet, wherever you get the blisters, back or the front. Let it dry and put your shoes on, and this helps. I have tried this multiple times and it has protected my skin and prevented me to get blisters. So this is a lifesaver. I will link this in the description box so you can get it if you're interested. And now let's talk about styling. You can style this with almost anything and everything except for black. I don't like wearing black and brown. I don't think that's a good combination, but you could wear this with a dress, like a light colored dress, jeans, brown outfits, light color outfits. This pretty much goes with anything. I live in Houston, Texas, so it's like pretty warm almost year round. So I can wear these in the spring, summer, fall, sometimes even the winter. And these shoes are also easily like packable. You can pack these in your suitcases. If you're doing like a day trip or just taking a carry-on, you can literally pack them like this or like this, or even side by side in your suitcase, and you can really sneak them in anywhere, so that's nice. But overall, I do like the sandal. I did say they aren't the most comfortable sandal because of the blister, but I found a solution and I still wear these. I wear them a lot to like Pilates, to the beach, to resorts, vacations, brunch. They're cute, and I think that, like I said, it's kind of heavier and the leather is thick, so I think that's a good sign of durability and quality. I did, however, but I'm a big-footed, clumsy girl. I did, however, like one day trip and like hit the top of my toe on like a rock, so I like scuffed these up. I'm sure I could buff these out somehow and get them repaired. If I really want to, it shouldn't be hard. That's all I have to say about my interlocking double G sandals. Super cute. I love them. Thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more fashion content. Also follow me on LTK for some fashion and style inspo. Follow me on all socials. I will link all my socials below, as well as the anti-blister spray. Oh, and don't forget to stick around for my up close and personal look of the shoe. Bye guys.